Good morning to all. Welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, today I Tapas are going to teach Standard 2 students grammar way. Today's lesson is the last lesson for annual exam course. Today's lesson is lesson number 18. Today I will teach you lesson number 18. Let's see the lesson. Lesson is A and D. A and D are said to be article. So today we will read about article A and D. Let's start the lesson, children. The words A and D are called articles. We use them before naming words. A and D are three articles in English. We generally use these A and D articles before nouns or naming word. I have written some examples here. You can see, children. Mother brought a new lunch box for me. I am eating an orange. Don't forget to put a stamp on the letter. In these three sentences or three examples, you can see mother bought a lunch box for me. A is article used here. In second sentence, I am eating an orange. N is article used in the second sentence. Don't forget to put a stamp on the letter. The is the article used in the third sentence. Now we will know where and how we use these articles. A is used before consonant sounds. Which are consonant sounds? In English alphabet, there are 26 letters. From those 26 letters, 21 letters are said to be consonants, like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all 21 letters which are said to be consonant sound letters. You can see how we use these consonant letters with the article. A, book. B is the consonant letter, so A is used before it. A, rose. R is a consonant letter, so A is used before it. A, glass. G is a consonant letter, so A is used before the word glass. A, deer. D is a consonant letter, so A is used before it. A, queen. Q is the consonant letter, A is used before it. A, man. M is the consonant letter, A is used before it. A, nest. N is the consonant letter we used before it. So you can see B, R, G, D, Q, M, N. These are all the letters having consonant sound. So A articles is used before these all words. We use N with singular words beginning with vowel sound. Now rest of the 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are said to be vowel words. These vowel word sound, generally these letters A, E, I, O, U, these are the letters which we make words. Before these words we generally use N, because vowel word sound generally have N before them, like an eagle, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella, an apple. E for eagle is a vowel, that's why N is used before it. Ice cream, I is a vowel, N is used before ice cream. O, owl, O is the vowel, so N is used before owl. U in umbrella is the vowel letter, that's why N is used before it. Apple, A is a vowel, so N is used before apple. So E, I, O, U, A, these are all the letters which are used as vowel sound, so N is used before them. We use the before specific naming word, means particular noun or proper noun word we generally use the article the. Like name of anything, like name of your river, Ganga is given, Ganga river, the is the article used before Ganga river. Taj Mahal is the name of a monument or a building, so the is used before the Taj Mahal. Bible is the sacred book of Christian, like Bible. We also have, Hindu have Bhagavad Gita, Muslim have Quran Sahib, and Guru Nanak Dev book, that is Guru Granth Sahib. These are all sacred book of different religion. In those cases we will use the before them. Red Fort is the name of a fort, so the is used before the Red Fort. Sun, moon, earth, any type planet, all planet or satellite, we will use the before them. The Indian Ocean, name of an ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Circle, Antarctic Ocean. All these are the oceans which are name of some of the oceans. So before name of any oceans we can use the. So the is generally used before specific naming word, or specific naming word means name of a particular thing will be there. Before those noun we will use the. Now comes the exercise part of the lesson. Here help box is given. You have to find out the word which we generally use in case of A and the. Means building is the word which before which we will use A. So a building, a dancer, a television. Because B, D, T are consonant letters, so A is used before them. Next comes N. An ostrich, an alligator, an island. O, A, I. These are all vowel sounding words, so N is used before them. The Taj Mahal, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea. Here Taj Mahal is the name of a monument, Pacific Ocean is the name of an ocean, Arabian Sea name of a sea. So all Pacific names are given, so the is used before them. In case of B, you have to match. You can see, please shut the door. Mother bought a bouquet of flowers. Asha and Kiran met at the mall. Then I ate a bowl of rice for lunch. Have you posted the card to Aunt Anita? Then Sanjay is a common name in India. This you can see I have matched all the numbers in column B and column A with numbers. So here it is just to match both the columns. Next comes C. Fill in the blanks with articles. A and D, these three articles will use in this blank space. First one, let's read a storybook. Storybook, S is consonant, so A is used before it. I saw an octopus at Sea World Park. Here octopus, O is vowel, that's why N is used before it. There is a mango tree in our garden. Mango, M is a consonant letter, that's why A is used before it. Look at the flamingo, it looks beautiful. Flamingo, F is a consonant, but it's a name of a specific bird, that's why D is used before it. The basketball match was very exciting. Here name of the match or game it is given, basketball, that's why D is used before it. Mother made an omelette for me in the morning. O is an vowel, that's why N is used before it. This is the end of the lesson, children. I hope you have got it, what is about A and the article. And my request to you, please watch this video at least 3 to 4 times repeatedly. Then you will get clear idea about article A and the. Thank you children for watching this video. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye bye.